Hi guys, this is my YouTube channel and welcome back to this YouTube channel, and this is our new coding problem where we are going to solve second largest digit in a string. Before starting this problem, I would love to and I would like to say this thing with you all, okay? I am just in a situation where I'm doing my internship right now, but somehow somewhere I felt like coding is something which we did back in our college, and it's something very new and it's interesting to do it, right? Which is also very useful for further in our career to switch companies or something. And then to keep me occupied or something, I'm just gonna solve 2 to 3 problems a day following with the timetable, right? So this is one of the problem. So let's make mistakes. So let's learn this. No matter what we are gonna do, we will do it, and it's fine if we make mistakes and do it. Okay. So let's get back to the problem right now. Second largest digit in a string. Let's read the description. Given an alphanumeric string S, return the second largest numerical digit that appears in S or -1 if it doesn't exist. An alphanumeric string is a string consisting of a lowercase English letters and digit. So what the problem describes. I'll just give you 5 seconds so that you can just go through the question. Let's solve it. Okay. Okay, I hope you've read the question. So I will just explain you the question. So you can cross check whether you understood the same thing or not. So if you see the example one over here, S, which is a alphanumeric string. Alphanumeric string is nothing but a string which has lowercase English letters and as well as digits included with them. So if you see here, these are all lower cases including with the digits, right? And similarly, which is the second example. Now, you have to return the second largest digit in a string. Considering this as a whole string, now the problem wants you to return the second largest string. Without solving the question, let's just think and find out which is the second largest digit. When we solve with S, right? I'll just type it here, okay? S. Let's copy it here and paste. First, first step is while I started my coding, okay, one of my friends suggested this trick, okay. How do you brute force? How do you think this problem as a more human, not in a coding, not considering this problem is very hard and very new to us. Just if someone gave you the string and asked you to find which is the largest digit in the string, how do you go solve it? You just if if I had to start this question, how will I do it? Okay, starting with the first letter, which is D. It's not a digit, it's a alphabet, right? So I skip this letter and go to the next one, which is F, which is also alphabet. A, which is also alphabet, and 1, which is a digit, which you should consider it right now. So 1, I'll note it down here. 1, 2, which is also a digit. 3, which is also a digit. 2 and 1, and A, F, B are alphabets. Okay. Now I want you to understand this thing here. He asked us to return the second largest numerical which appears in the string. Now, these are all the digits which we found in the string. Now, from this string, how do you find the maximum element? Again, the same thing. 1, 1. Let's start with 1. Compare 1 with 2. 1 and 2, right? 1 is the small one, or you can do it this way. The whole, this whole what do you say, all the digits you found, you can just sort it, or you can just make it in a descending order, right? So that you can understand which is the second one. 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. Now what do you understand from this? The maximum element is 3 followed by 2. Now what should you return? 2, which is our answer, right? So this is how you should think before solving a problem. Next, this is your thinking about this problem. Now, how about we put this way in a coding approach? How do we start with this? Okay, how do we start? If you've observed this problem where when I started to find the digits in the string, you would have noticed this duplication in the string, right? 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. 2 and 1 are repeated. So do you think we should include that? So do you think we should consider that? Considering that will make the time complexity more the problem will get not complicated, but it's unnecessary. We can do it without that as well. So what I'll do is, so in order to store this numeric numbers in set first, so L is equal to set, okay, so that I can avoid this duplicate numbers. Now, to find the numeric numbers, to find the numbers in the alphanumeric string, I will traverse through the string. So sorry, for I and S, let's come to this very fast. If inbuilt for Python to identify if a character is a number or string or an alphabet, you can use it like this. Is the G, okay, and I not in L. You can either take it as a list or a set. It's up to you. You can just okay, to make it easier, I'll take it as a list. Okay, if I is a number, and if I is not in the list, we will append that into the list. Okay, append of I, and now I will sort this by sort to get the number easier. Okay, and now if you see, you can return the highest, second largest numerical, and if it doesn't exist, you have to return -1. So what I'll do is, there's a case which will return second highest, second largest, and there's a case which will return -1 if it doesn't exist. So what I'll do a new case here. If len of L is less than or equals to 1, I will return -1, else I'll return what? Second highest, which will be. And now why did I do this? Why did I do int of? Because the whole character is a string. Because each and everything will be stored like this, right? In order to avoid that, I'll just introduce int. Okay, let's run this right now. That's it, guys, and we are done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you all like it. And this is Mara in Complexity. I hope you all like it and enjoy. Please subscribe to my channel and follow for more. Come with this journey. Come join in my journey. I will try to be consistent. I will try to post it every day. Please be a part of my thing. Thank you.